Hi friends, please subscribe our channel and hit the like button. A Daihatsu Mira is a popular kei car manufactured by the Japanese automaker Daihatsu. Kei cars are a specific class of small vehicles that are designed to meet Japan's regulations on size, engine displacement and other parameters. The first generation of the Daihatsu Mira was introduced in 1980, and since then it has undergone several upgrades and modifications over the years. The Mira is known for its small size, fuel efficiency and affordability, making it a popular choice among consumers in Japan and other markets where it is sold. The latest iteration of the Daihatsu Mira, which was launched in 2019, is powered by a 660cc 3-cylinder engine that delivers 51 horsepower and 60 lb-ft of torque. It is available in both manual and automatic transmission options, and customers can choose from a range of trim levels and features. One of the standout features of the Daihatsu Mira is its fuel efficiency. The latest model is rated at an impressive 27 km per liter, 63 miles per gallon, under the GCO8 test cycle, making it one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its class. In addition, the Mira comes with a range of safety features including anti-lock brakes, electronic stability control and airbags, among others.